This 2018 Kobelco SK30SR has just 1,353 hours. Compact and reliable, it's fitted with rubber tracks for easy travel across different surfaces and comes with a hydraulic quick hitch to make bucket changes quick and effortless. You'll get a full bucket set, 300, 450 and a 1200 mil mud bucket, giving you the versatility to handle trenching, detailed digging and cleanup work. Safety is covered too, with a fire extinguisher and flashing beacon already installed. At $48,500 plus GST, this machine delivers proven performance, excellent value, and is ready to get straight to work.